going to show you how to make a popular garnish called Momiji Oroshi. We're going to take a small portion of Daikon, once we have a small section of peeled Daikon, we're going to use our Japanese style grater . When we want to drain the excess liquid from the Daikon, it's preferable to use a strainer. We don't really want to squeeze it. Gently let some of the excess liquid drain from the Daikon without squeezing the liquid off. After we've grated the Daikon and strained the excess liquid off, we're going to add some ichimi, Japanese chili powder. And then we'll mix well. And here's our Momiji Oroshi, or grated Daikon with chili peppers.